Part 6 of our America trip. This one is very special.
Say yes, Dada. Say yes, Dada.
Yes.
Kiss, kiss, gali, gali, Dada. Kiss others.
We started our morning in beautiful Sedona. From Sedona to the Grand Canyon, it's about a 2-hour drive, but every minute is worth it. The views along the way? Absolutely breathtaking. Red rocks, open highways, and that feeling that something big is about to happen. When we arrived at the Grand Canyon, wow, it was freezing cold. The wind was strong, but nothing could stop us from enjoying the moment. Little did I know, this was the moment. John secretly asked Denzel to record the video. Val was ready with a camera for photos. Everything was set. And right there, in one of the most breathtaking places on earth.
Nako ipakita nimo.
Sama na. What's that, Daddy?
We traveled very far with my family and Calista.
Sama na.
Huh? Okay, no, taga. Oh. Huh?
Bibi.
Para. I have another one.
Dili
Ay,
dito,
Val.
Val.
I have another one. I have another one.
Oh my
Here.
God. Daddy, no.
Here.
Masih
Other
mo tinuod.
John got down on one knee.
Daddy na.
Yeah, what's happening? Right, left.
Left.
Yeah, it's a proposal.
Again.
One more time.
One
Second
more time. Another. Oy, dako mo kayo, Daddy.
Okay ra. Kanya na lang na usbon. Yeah.
Again.
So, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, I said yes.
Yes,
Say yes.
Dada. You say yes, Dada. Say yes, Dada.
Yes.
Kiss, kiss, gali, gali, Dada. Kiss other side, Dada.
Other side.
Everyone was so happy. Smiles everywhere. Laughter. It was a moment we will never forget. In the middle of that cold weather, our hearts were warm. After this unforgettable moment, we drove to Las Vegas to stay for the night, before heading back home the next day. But this day, this wasn't just another stop in our trip. This was the start of a new chapter. America Trip Part 6. A surprise. A proposal. A yes. And a future we're so excited to build together. Team Labata. Creating memories, one journey at a time. Up next, we're heading to Joshua Tree National Park. Another exciting adventure waiting for us.